Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot video playback issues that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the right side, you want to select where it says additional troubleshooters. And now underneath find and fix other problems, you want to go down and select where it says video playback, find and fix problems of playing movies, TV shows, or videos, and select run the troubleshooter. Give it a moment here. And then I'd recommend following along with whatever the prompts are that it suggests, again, based on your reported issue. And then hopefully your problem should be resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.